Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to talk to you about something that I really don't talk about, and I don't think I've ever talked about it on this channel. I'm going to talk a little bit about the buying and holding angle. I'm hesitant to call it investing because, after all, they're just children's toys. But there is a buy and hold aspect to this, and these vehicles here in front of me are very hot. This is the '83 Chevy Silverado. All of them are hot as far as I know, but these three in particular, the ones that I still have in my collection. Got the Fram. This is a Toys R Us exclusive. This one is a little bit sought after at the moment. This is Kmart exclusive, and this is just the regular mainline. As you can see, I drilled one of these back in the day and put it on a 4x4 chassis. Pretty cool. Maybe shouldn't have done that. I don't know. I don't really have a lot of regret when it comes to this. It's just fun, and that's how it should be. Having said that, the set from 2025 that I think definitely was hoarded up and purchased quickly because people knew that it was hot is this one right here. This is the Hot Wheels 80th anniversary of Mattel set from Target. It has a lot of great castings in it. There's 8 castings. Retail was about $28, which makes it about $3.50 a casting, which is kind of on par with like the Silver Series, and this is the Silver Series, so I think the pricing is about right on these. I know there was a sale at Target right when these were starting to hit, and a lot of guys got these for $20. I paid $28. Anyways, there's 8 great castings in here. We have the '82 Toyota Supra. Might as well show them to you while we're going through it, right? '82 Toyota Supra, the Dodge Viper RT10, the '87 Buick Regal GNX, the '89 Porsche 944 Turbo. We have the Volkswagen Golf Mk2, the Nissan Skyline GTR R32, BMW M3 Race, and last but not least, the '83 Chevy Silverado. This guy, being in a gift set, being that this was in the holiday aisle, a lot of these probably went to kids. A lot of these got ripped open or played with, which is what they're for. I will rip this open, not in this video. I don't feel like doing that in this video. I will rip this open and take a closer look at all these in a different video. But this, I'm saying, if you're going to be someone that buys and holds a set, this is the set of 2025 to buy and hold, in my opinion, because of that '83 Chevy Silverado right there. That thing is already creeping up loose by itself and selling for almost as much as retail was on this whole set. So if you're going to buy and hold, I would say right now we're at the end of 25. If you can get this in early 2026 off eBay or whatever, anywhere near retail, I would say $35 or less. I think it's a great buy. We'll have to see what the market does and continue to watch it, but I wouldn't hesitate right now to buy this for $35. And even if I was not buying it to hold it and I just wanted this truck or any of these other cars in my collection, I also would not hesitate to buy it at $35, maybe even $40. It's overall really a great set. But anyways, I just wanted to give my insights and opinion on that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.